Okay, everybody, hello and welcome. My name is PG Mac, and I'm going to be showing you in the next 60 days how to get more value from your digital marketing goals. I hope that you're getting a lot of value out of them. And remember to click the subscribe button below if you would like to get notified in your inbox each day whenever a new video gets released. Okay, so without further ado then, let's get started. Okay, then, so day number 10, what we did on day number 10 was, in the words of The Godfather. Do you remember those movies with Marlon Brando and Al Pacino and what was the other one? Andy Garcia. They were all playing the roles of the Godfather, this mafioso, the head of the Don Corleone family. And what he would do with the cotton wool, I don't have the cotton wool, but he would have the cotton wool in his cheeks and he would say, "I'm going to make you an offer." Well, of course, he would say it in an Italian American accent, not an Irish accent. "I'm going to make you an offer that you cannot refuse." And this is what we're talking about in day number 10. We're talking about giving them an irresistible, compelling offer, that type of offer that it will be a complete no-brainer for them, that they will not want to refuse. They will want to work with you and they will want to be your clients. Okay, so we do this all in a very, very special way. Please, again, check out day number 10 by clicking on the link above. Hello, everybody, and thank you once again for watching today's video. We hope you got a lot of value from it. Now, remember, we are social, and here are our contact details at the moment appearing on your screen. Now, remember, these are the three types of things that we do dramatically different in this wonderful world of digital marketing. We focus on three things: the power of video by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Number two, we help you to build your list, even if you've got a very small list. And we also help you to retarget the people that are already on your list. Now, the third thing that we help people to do is we help them to build a sales pipeline, something that we call a magic sales 11x funnel. And remember, everything is fully guaranteed by our 60-day super duper titanium plated money back, one conditional guarantee. Don't forget about the one condition. You have to do the work. And also, here's the link for, as we promised at the beginning of the video, for our free 60-day video training series challenge. This is vts.icandour.net. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one strategy call, a business upgrade call with myself, PG Mac, here are the details. It's calendar.icandour.net. If you click on that link, then it will take you straight over to my calendar. And if you're lucky enough, there may be 1 or 2 slots still available to talk with me. Okay, those are the contact details once again. So we look forward to hearing from you. And please remember, reach out with any questions or comments that you may have. And remember to like us and subscribe, hit the little bell notification icon below. And we look forward to seeing you very much in tomorrow's video. Thank you once again. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.